In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly mention someone on a page using the mention shortcut. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to tag or mention a person, page, or item directly within your document or workspace. This is especially helpful when you want to notify someone, link to another page, or keep your notes connected and easy to navigate. First, make sure you're on the page where you want to add the mention. This could be a document, a note, a task, or any editable page in your workspace. Click anywhere inside the page to place your typing cursor. You should see the usual text cursor blinking, which means you're ready to type. Now, to start a mention, you have two options. The first option is to simply type a /, followed immediately by the word mention. So, on your keyboard, press the / key, then type the word mention right after it, without any spaces. As you type, you'll usually see a small menu or suggestion box appear on your screen. This menu will show you options related to mentioning, such as people, pages, or other items you can tag. Once you see the mention option appear, you can use your arrow keys or your mouse to select it. After selecting it, you'll typically be able to start typing the name of the person or the item you want to mention. Keep typing until you see the correct result, then click it or press enter to confirm. The mention will be inserted directly into your text, usually with a special style or highlight that shows it's an active mention. The second option is even more direct. Look for the @ symbol icon, usually shown as the @ sign, somewhere above your text area. This is often found in the toolbar or formatting bar at the top of the page where you see options like bold, italics, or alignment. Click on that art icon. As soon as you click it, the same mention menu should appear, allowing you to search for and choose who or what you want to mention. Both methods achieve the same result, so use whichever feels more natural for you. Typing plus mention can be faster once you get used to it, while clicking the art icon can be more intuitive if you prefer using your mouse and visual menus. Over time, these small shortcuts help keep your work organized and make collaboration smooth.